Hey guys, so we're back with the CT5V paint correction, kind of just going into why you should get a paint correction on your vehicle. But if you look at me, so far what we've done the full compound, full fine polish. We've given the vehicle a wash. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around all the edges, removing a lot of the excess compound that sometimes gets on there. Now either you can tape them off and not have the compound, or you can get the compound and just wipe it off. Both is perfectly okay, but it is important to remove the compound before it does become old and hardens and it becomes a little harder to take off. A lot of places will not remove their compound off the edges and it just looks ugly. So we've kind of gone ahead and removed it off some of the bits, but what it looks like when you don't remove it is basically you see this white dust up inside over here that just has to get wiped off. But if you look at the actual paint itself, you'll notice it has this deep shine, deep gloss to it. And that water staining that was once there is no longer there, which is good. Now, we're gonna recommend that they seal this paint with some type of sealant, wax, ceramic coating, or PPF, because you don't want it to go back to what it was, but it will if you don't take care of it. So we're gonna do that. But this car is basically all finished up, just the last few steps left, and we're gonna send it home now. Thank you.